Okay, so we've got a speed time graph and I want to find out the distance. Now, if we think about our do stop talking triangle, so do stop talking, and if I wanted to find the distance, I would have to cover up the distance. And that would tell me what to do. So I would have to be doing speed times time. So speed here is a constant 40 miles per hour. So the speed is 40. And the time is for a total of 6 hours. And I'd need to do 40 times 6 because I need to do speed times time. So that would give me 240 miles. Oh, 240 miles because it's the distance. Now, if I look at the graph, what's another way that I could have found that? Well, actually, it's actually finding the area of this, the area under the curve. I could have just done 6 times 40 is 240. So what we've just figured out is actually that the distance travelled is actually the area under the graph. So now I've figured out that the area under a graph will give me the distance travelled. So I need to split this into polygons that I can find. So if I split this down here, I've got a triangle and a rectangle. So I've got a triangle where the base is between 0 and 10, so that's 10, and the height is between 0 and 12. So the area of this triangle, base times height divided by 2, so that's 10 times 12, which is 120, divided by 2 is 60. And then I've got the rectangle, which is between 10 and 30 for the base, so that's 20, and 0 and 12 for the height. So 20 times 12 is 240. So if I wanted the total distance, I just add the areas together. It's 300 metres, or 300 m, I'm just going to put, because that's what it is in the question.